Meow! Huples cat. Just wanted to say Happy Canada Day and Happy America Day to those people that celebrate it. And Kitty has gone to the Shire. She's left me and Mr. Bubbles alone. He's currently in the bathroom where he likes to hang out during the day in between meal breaks. And I was left to cook for myself. So I cheated. I'm having pizza. There you go. Huples cat made pizza. So the base is a frozen one. The sauce is a jar of tomatoes Kitty chopped up yesterday and added celery and carrots and some spice into. It's delicious. The cheese is just sliced cheese because I don't have any sprinkle vegan cheese left. And there's tofu sausage and sweet and sour tofu. I would have put some mushrooms on, but we're actually out of them. And I looked for capers, but I couldn't find any. Kitty hates capers. I love them. So what are you guys doing on the 4th? What did you guys do on the 1st? Were you grateful and thankful that you live in a very rich country that has huge amounts of social infrastructure and security? Or did you spend the time online looking at articles and videos that tell you that Canada or America is a horrible, horrible place and our governments are terrible? Well, it could be worse, couldn't they? You could live in different parts of the world. And there's Mr. Bear. Mr. Bear! He's missing his Becky and his mom. Anyway, he'll be okay. I did bring him some cheese sandwiches up, vegan of course, and he should be okay. But he's really not well. I think it's teeth related and paw related, so I think he's gonna have to go to the vet. Anyway, Mr. Bear, you be good. So I forgot to say, the most important part of my dinner tonight is I'm actually going to have chilled beer, which I rarely have. I'm English, I rarely have chilled beer. But I'm going to have one because it's like scalding out there. I'm going to eat outside. Guinness. Guinness from Ireland, otherwise known as Guinness of course. And you can have a look inside my fridge, because I love to look inside your fridges and people aren't putting up what's inside their fridge videos. We kind of overstocked. We've been keeping stocks high, both in the fridge and the freezers, because of the situation in the world. There's a smoothie. Kitty made smoothies, so she left them for me. There's some of her awesome little cheesy sauce she makes with nutritional yeast. There's some yeast at the back. Fake meat, not that healthy, but what are you gonna do? And other stuff. There's the sauce, it's really good, and there's some of the leftover sausage. So we use the fake meats and stuff, but we don't use too much of them. And there's some fake cheese. It's actually okay. Baba ganoush. Normally Kitty would make that, but I bought it. And because we haven't been going to Costco because we don't want to get infected and we don't want to line up forever, we've been getting these delivered to us. So I'm getting variety. If you're going to be vegan or if you're not going to be vegan, drink and eat variety. So I have oat milk, I also have almond milk, and I also have soy milk at the back. And of course, maple syrup. And the fridge is bad. And of course the rubbishy stuff that everybody accumulates. A lot of people in a complete breakdown of society, this is what they're going to have to be eating and drinking. I have shown this before, but I want to show it again. It's powdered soya milk. Interesting that, I thought. And of course turmeric and chia seeds and lectin granules and hemp seeds and manila, and there's our everyday yeast. Whole bunch of different stuff. There you go. So there's the temperature in the afternoon in the shade. It's about 31 centigrade, which is about 88 or so Fahrenheit. There is a lot of humidity. This was a Good Terrier 2020 production.